Good morning, boys and girls. I am going to continue the last pages of our science lesson. And it's about, remember, the safari. So I'll read the last parts to you, and then there'll be a few questions. Remember, you got to look for it and add motto once I get done, okay? So I'm going to do this kind of differently today because there's nobody to really record me. But here it goes. I will do the best I can. And good morning again. So this is where we were at, and I will continue reading, okay? See this animal right here, and there's another one, They're of the same family, looks like, huh? Okay, let me read it. Some animals eat the grazing and browsing animals of the savannah. The animals that are eaten are called prey, okay? The animals that do the eating are called predators. Predators must hunt in order to live. The largest predator on the savannah is the lion. So there you see the different lions on there. See that? There's a lion, there's another one, and that one. They're the big predators, meaning they eat the other animals. And the animals that are eaten, they are called prey. Got it, you guys? Prey is the one that's eaten. Predator is the one that is doing the eating of those other animals, okay? Lions live in large families, family groups, or prides of as many as 30 members. The female lions do most of the hunting. What's the female? That's the woman, huh? She does most of the hunting. Once the prey is caught and killed, it is shared by all the members of the pride. The male lion usually eats before the females and cubs do. A large meal like this wild beast keeps the big cat satisfied for 3 or 4 days. Wow. So if it's a big animal and everybody has eaten, they can stay fed up to 4 days. Okay. Now, let's go to the next page and see what we have on this side. Leopards, cheetahs, see them? Leopards and cheetahs are smaller relatives of the lion. Each of these graceful predators has its own special strategies for hunting, meaning they hunt their own way, a certain way. Leopards rest during the day, often on a tree branch, and silently stalk their prey at night. Cheetahs, which hunt during the day, rely on their speed. They are the fastest four-legged animals in the world. Wow, look at that. So you see a leopard and a cheetah, right? Okay. Here's the leopard right here. Leopards are not only stealthy, they are also very strong. A leopard can drag the carcass of a large animal like an impala up into a tree and wedge it between the branches. It then eats as much as it wants and leaves the rest for the next day or two. So that's about the leopard, okay? And then let's see about the other one now. Leopards and cheetahs both have spots, but only cheetahs have black lines on their faces. Now, you know how to tell the difference? Yeah, the leopards and cheetahs both have spots, but only cheetahs have black lines on their faces. Okay, let's see down here now. A cheetah can run as fast as 70 miles an hour when chasing its prey, but it can keep up that speed for only a short time before getting tired. So that's the cheetah, huh? The cheetah with the black lines on its face. Remember that? Turn the page. Okay. Some different animals like birds and stuff, huh? Other animals that live on the savannah belong to the cleanup crew. These animals, known as scavengers, eat the predators' leftovers. Hyenas and vultures are two well-known scavengers. They patrol the grasslands looking for animal remains. The jackal, a kind of wild dog, is another scavenger that roams the savannah, which is down here. Got it? And like hyenas, jackals do not live by scavenging alone. Both animals also hunt small and medium-sized prey for food. Okay, you guys all understanding this? How the animals stay alive by eating their food of other animals, or some of them even scavenge, right? Meaning they look for leftovers. Okay? Okay, turn the page to the other side and let's see what this is about. Insects, worms, and other decomposers are also part of life on the savannah. These small but important creatures return nutrients to the soil by eating and breaking down dead plant and animal matter. The worms, huh? They help the earth. And then termites eat large or huge amounts of plant matter. They also make tunnels underground, which loosens the soil and helps grasses grow. Would you like some of those in your yard? Ooh, termites. No, huh? Okay. Among all the decomposers on the savannah, termites are the easiest to spot. From soil, they build tall nests held together with their saliva. The nests often take fantastic shapes, and some are taller than an adult human being. Wow, look at that. And it's with their spit. They make that, see that tower, kind of that tall tower right there? Okay? Many different savannah animals find their own uses for termite mounds. Cheetahs, lions, and other predators often rest on top of the mounds or use them as a lookout post for spotting prey. Meanwhile, plant-eating animals such as these topaz is how it's pronounced, I guess, topaz, use them as lookouts for spotting predators. Wow, that animal right there, see that? There you go. Some more animals. And let's see about this page here. Oh, I like this picture. Look at that. Nice. Many of the Earth's natural grassland habitats have disappeared, replaced by big ranches, farms, and cities. Who does that? Who builds the ranches and the cities and the farms? People, right? But with the help of people in many African countries, large areas of the savannah have survived. Oh, that's good. The land is still covered with tall grasses and dotted with trees, and it is still home to some of the largest, fastest, and most fascinating animals in the world. So there you have it about the savannah. Okay, the African savannah. Nearly half of Africa is covered by savannah. Much of the rest of the continent is covered by desert and shrubs, lands that have desert-like plants but receive more rainfall than deserts. Hot, humid rainforests grow in lowland regions along and near the equator. Cooler, drier forests grow in mountain and highland regions. So there's Africa. They have the African savannah, and look at that. They have, let me see, much of the rest of the continent is covered by desert and shrubs. Then hot, humid rainforests. Hey, remember rainforests? They are both in Africa. Well, there's some in other places too, right? Okay, so this is your science lesson, boys and girls, and I hope you understand. If not, you make sure you give me a call now, okay? And we will stop with that today. And remember, I will have a few questions at the end. Thank you. See you again real soon.